My dear friends, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to a brand new vlog where I take you on tour of my new apartment in Hyderabad. Having a place that we can call our home has always been on our list. And from some time now, we feel it even more. We have stayed on rental places for an initial 6 months. Then we did go ahead and procure a 2 BHK apartment. If you have seen my videos, I recently mothered a baby boy. We call him Rian. And the apartment started to feel a little cramped up with relatives and our extended family visiting us frequently. With 2 kids who were on their way in the growing up journey, we started to look out in a bigger apartment. So we started chalking out a plan as to how we can shift to a bigger place. Around this time, we found this apartment that looked just perfect. It's a 3 BHK apartment in one of the upcoming localities in Hyderabad and constructed by a reputed builder with all the required state-of-art amenities that makes it all the more lucrative. Let me give you an inside story. We did have to stretch our budget a little high to make a way to this dwelling. Here is an empty house tour for all my viewers. Kitchen for me is the most important place. It's referred to as the heart of the home, and I'm so happy that the plan is inclined to Vastu and kitchen is placed in the southeast corner. The kitchen comes with a utility balcony, a common sight in most homes these days. The kitchen is spacious enough, but yes, a lot of work must go in to make it functional, as the kitchen slab and tiles here were not provided by the builder. The bright side though is that we can choose to have our own choice of tiles and slab placed, which otherwise becomes difficult to change if already there. Opposite to the kitchen, again a perfect southwest corner, is the master bedroom. Quite spacious, and the best part is it has a small walk-in closet space alongside the washroom, something I always wanted. Just wait and watch how I decorate this space and make it my own. On the left, we have the other 2 bedrooms, of which one will be planned for my daughter and the other one will be the guest room for now, to be developed into my son's bedroom. My daughter is super excited in planning all the nitty-gritty details of her room, how the color should be, how the wardrobe will look, and all other details. You all are a part of my extended family. So if you are viewing me for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell icon. The layout of the living cum dining room is also very interesting, with a balcony and an awesome view. I'm planning in detail to make the most of this open space. We are super excited about the plan of how the interior will be and how the final look will be. As of now, it's a work in progress stage. There are workers everywhere, but in the upcoming vlogs, please do join me on this beautiful journey of transforming the concrete walls into a warm, cozy home.